So the Yogandha Yoga Pack. I am Sinead, the founder of Yogandha, and our yoga pack has 3 beautiful roller balls. One is uplifting, one is grounding, and one is balancing. And you can use them before practice to get yourself into the state of mind you need for practice. So if you're tired and you need an uplift, you'd use the uplifting. If you're frazzled and you need to calm, you'd use the grounding. And then the balancing is the one in between, particularly if you need some hormonal balancing. So you apply them simply like this. And you feel it straight away. So you can use them before practice, but also, you know the way smell brings you back? So smell gets you into the state of mind, but it also brings you back. Smell brings you back, so you can use them to bring you back to that beautiful meditative state. So the yoga pack has the 3 roller balls and Yogandha Relax, which goes on all over. It's a body oil, super soothing. Put on all over. You can use in the bath, in the shower, after the bath, after the shower, as a face oil. I actually even use it to take my makeup off. And it is nourishing, relaxing, soothing, helps you go to sleep. And you can use it at the end of yoga practice and if you use it at the end of every yoga practice, then when you use it another time again, it'll bring you back. So that's how you use it. So that's the Yogandha Yoga Pack.